Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm at BushTrails in Linstead, and it's me and three other girls, three of your favorite Instagram girls that's into travel. I'll introduce you to the girls in a few. Now if you want to see the excitement, the fun that we're having right now, stay tuned to the video. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do. Just hit the subscribe button and just stay tuned for all the niceness.
You're gonna go, you see buggy on the rack?
Yeah.
You're gonna keep to the front of it and go on the left side of the building here, somebody directly with the park.
Alright, thank you.
Alright.
You know it's not a vlog if I don't give you the tea, right? So let me give you the tea. So this was an Instagram link up. Two of the ladies I've never met before, and I'm always skeptical about meeting new people because you just never know what type of energy you'll come across. I'll tell you this, the vibe was so good. Impeccable. Chef kiss. It was a good vibe. So I want you guys to follow the ladies. Their information will be in the description box below. They're into travel, finding the new spots and the hidden gems in Jamaica, and some of them are actually into international travel. So if those are things that you like, go ahead and follow these ladies. Their information again is in the description box. Let's talk about the location. So it's located in Linstead, which means it's not too far from Kingston, and that I love because I hate driving for long. I love the property as well. It seems to be well kept, and according to them they'll be having additional activities really soon, which makes me really excited because I really want to go back. I like the idea that they had the UTV at the front so you could take pictures, and there's a sky lounge that is tiki styled or tiki themed, and I can just imagine how amazing it must look in the night. So it's a really nice property. They're using the space really nicely, and it's a space that I feel like you could easily enjoy a good couple of hours there. It's not just for the UTV and leave. You could actually do additional stuff there, like chill by the lounge and do any other activities that they promise that they'll be doing in the future. FYI, that's me right there in the green goggles. It's giving me NASCAR driver. It's giving me professional driver. Run the clip. Let's talk about pricing. So if you want to be a driver, it's $9,600, and if you're a passenger, I believe the cost is $8,600 or $8,000. You can always check with them. The price includes lunch. You also get a single photo and a group photo.
Okay.
Intermission.
Hey.
Ow. How's it going? Love it. Heidi, how's it going for you?
I love it. It's wicked.
What's your? That's mine. That's mine. You want me to get you?
I soon go up there.
Oh,
the phone you want. You look too afraid in the picture, man.
yeah, hold up the flag, right? No.
Yeah. Do that. No, sir. I like.
Okay. No. No. All right, wait. Jeez, wait. You know what? Let me just hurry up and come out this way. and dirty. Enjoy. Hi.
Hello.
Oh God, so dirty. Thank you.
What is press gas? Yes.
You're the definition of pressing gas.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, so we're done with lunch and we're gonna go back on the trail. Muddy.
I cannot stand losing you. Whoa, whoa. All these feelings intertwined. Oh, fighting the urge to reach out. And my stance remains unchanged, baby. I can't help it, I'm so into you. Girl, boss, girl, boss.